To get an idea of what the opportunity is like of selling on Amazon, I want to deep dive one of my products that I personally sell. My name's Tim, and if you've never come across any of my content, it's nice to meet you. I've been selling on Amazon close to 7 years now. I've sold over $100 million on the platform. And although that sounds great from a very zoomed out perspective, again, I want to take you on a granular view of just one of the products that I've launched. I want to show you all the numbers behind it, how much of them I sell per month, how much it costs me to source it, ship it, and also how much profit I make. So let's jump into my profit and loss tool and let's get going. So here we have the product I want to show you. All right. So this up in the corner, you can see it's the last 30 days. So again, about a month. I sold 1,624 units of this item. That came out to be $15,792 in revenue, which equated to $2,579 in profit. Not bad. Now, this profit is a 69% return on investment. So I put $1 in, and every single time I sell one, I get $1.69 back. And if you compare that return on investment to real estate or the stock market, they both pale in comparison to what an Amazon product business can do. This number here on the far right side, that has to do with advertising. I'm not going to jump too in depth into that, but that number is all factored into these profit numbers. But now here's something that's interesting. This product, this month that I'm showing you here is just an average sales month, okay? There are certain times of the year where this thing goes through the moon. You may look at this product and say, $2,500, that's not that much. I can't retire off that. But what if you had 3 of these products, 5 of these products, 10 of these products? Or what if you had this product itself? Now, remember I told you just a minute ago that this isn't peak season. Let me rewind just a few months ago to the months of November and December. This product is a very giftable item. But look at the numbers this thing did just during those 2 months. Here we have it. November through December, this product made $44,279. I sold over 11,000 of them. That's a total of $158,000 in overall revenue. And that was a 155% return on investment. That's over double what it is on a regular month. Now compare this number to the average real estate appreciation or stock market, and there is absolutely no comparison. So you may have thought, hey, I couldn't return on this product, but could you? If just in the months of November and December, it makes $44,000, and every month after that, it makes $2,500 a month, you're well on your way. But again, what about 2 of these products, or having 3 or even 4 or more of them? Again, I've successfully launched over 100 of them. Now, I told you I was going to deep dive even further to show you what does it cost me to source the product? What does it cost me to ship the product? Let's look into that now. So if we go over here to my cost settings, we can see the numbers. So to manufacture this product, it only cost me $2.10. Shipping is 16 cents, and an import tax or duty rate is 3 cents. Now, one thing I want to note here is you may see this number here and say, Tim, what are you talking about? 16 cents to ship this product from China all the way to an Amazon FBA warehouse in the United States? That's impossible. I can't even mail an envelope within my city for that price. And although that is true, if you don't know much about sea shipping and shipping from out of country, you actually get incredible discounts when you buy in bulk. Now, this product right here, it's very giftable. That's why it sells very well in November and December, but it's also relatively small. So I'm able to ship a lot of those in a relatively small box. And when I order thousands of them from overseas and ship them all at once, the shipping price actually is under 20 cents. So these are all very accurate numbers. So there you have it. One product of the 100 plus that I've launched. You can see the exact cost it cost me to manufacture, to ship it, and also what it does on a regular month, and also what it does during peak season. Now, when it comes to a business like this, you may say, Tim, okay, so that product is making some good money, but how much time am I having to invest in it? Well, with most Amazon products, all of the work is front-loaded, meaning finding the product, getting a manufacturer, shipping it, launching it on the Amazon marketplace, turning on some advertising. Then you start getting sales and you start getting reviews. And then after a while, a couple months, you start to solidify yourself at the top of the search rankings, and that's when sales really start coming in. And it's at that point when this business model starts to become more passive in nature. So this product, I spend less than 5 minutes a week on managing it. Less than 5 minutes a week. Less than 20 minutes a month, even managing any aspects of it. Every 3 months, I reorder the product. And then before Q4, I make sure to order a lot more because you can see what those sales are. Now, again, I've been doing this close to 7 years. I documented my whole process, every step of the way of how I do what I do. I've had many different students been able to implement these steps and also start successful Amazon businesses too. I put together a free training that shows you more about this business model, more about myself and Private Label Masters, my company, and how we help people like yourself start Amazon businesses. To get access to that free 15-minute training, all you have to do is click the link down below this video, enter your information, and you can get instant access. So go ahead, click the link down below this video to get instant access to that free video training, and I'll see you there.